Hi guys, it's Salehin from One Click Solution, and in this video I'm going to covering how to install WordPress on Bluehost. It's only going to take a few minutes to do this. So if you are ready, let's get started. Okay, so before we can start installing WordPress, we first need to create a Bluehost account. I already have a video on how to buy domain and hosting from Bluehost. If you don't have domain hosting or even a Bluehost account, then just click the description below or the I button for the video link. So to start our work, first we have to go to www.bluehost.com, or I have already provided the link in the description below. Just go and click the link and that will bring you to this website. Now you click the green Get Started button or Hosting from the navigation bar. Then select the shared hosting. It will bring you to the next page. Here you will see different packages. To be totally honest, the Choice Plus plan is a little bit of overkill when we are just getting started, which really leaves it between these two. So if we are only planning to have a blog, we can go for a basic plan, or if we are planning to have multiple websites, we can go for the plus plan or Choice Plus plan. As I'm just doing this for the tutorial purpose, I'm going to go for the basic plan, and once we have decided, we can click the selection button underneath. It will bring us to the next step, which is where we can register our free domain that comes with our account. So we just need to type the domain name we are wanting to register into this box. Then we can choose our domain extension and click next. My recommendation will be to choose .com or .net. When we do this, we should hopefully see a message saying our domain is available, and then we can fill out our personal billing information underneath. Just fill up your personal information and choose the package information as you want. I will just keep these parts to keep the video shorter. If you need any help with these options or want guideline to choose your best choice, you can watch my video in the description. There I have explained all the things in details. Then you have to put your billing information and have to pay for it. Then within shorter time, Bluehost Authority will confirm you by sending mail and by providing cPanel access. Then you will see the option Set Password. Click on the button and it will bring you to the next page, which is Create Your Password. Then here we can enter the password we are wanting to use for login into our site. Check the box to agree to the terms and click Next. And now if we click Login, WordPress is going to start installing right away. This is only going to take few seconds, and once it's done, we will be shown a few different themes we can choose for our WordPress website. If you find helpful any of these themes, can select by hovering on it, or otherwise just skip the step, because you can purchase premium themes for your website. I will also add some links of most popular themes being used worldwide in the description below. Let's come back to the point. Once you skip the demo themes, it will bring you to start building page. Just click it and we will be logged into what's known as our WordPress dashboard. And this is where we can add any content or make any changes to our website, which by the way is now online. But just before we visit to our blog or website, I want to quickly cover how to install WordPress. If we already passed the auto setup process, it is done a little bit differently, but it is just as easy. So if this is the case with you, you just need to log into your Bluehost account, choose My Site on the left, and then click Create a Site in the top right. Then here we are going to enter our blog title, our tagline, and click Next. Now we can choose a domain name we are wanting to use from this drop down list. And this is going to start WordPress installing for us, and it's only going to take a few moments. Once it's done, we can click this login to WordPress and we will be logging into our WordPress dashboard. Now there is a welcome gate on our blog at the moment that looks like this. But we can click where it says coming soon at the top, and then if we click this launch site button, our blog will now be completely online. Or we can hold off the site until we add some content. Then if we click our site title in the dark gray bar at the top, we can visit our blog, which at the moment just has some demo content and will either be using a demo theme like mine or the theme we choose during installation. Then to get back to the dashboard, we just need to click our site title again at the top. So that's us now at the end of this quick tutorial video, and that was how to install WordPress on Bluehost. I really hope you found it helpful, and if you did, please give it a like here on YouTube to show your support, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress videos. And if you are watching it from Facebook and Twitter, then please do share with your friends. Thank you.